Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal app. You will go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of PayPal and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of PayPal. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.